One of my favorite ways to drive my Lexus IS is with the paddle shifters, and now that I installed this mod, it is a little bit more enjoyable to drive my Lexus IS. What's up guys, and we are back for another exciting video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is JDM for All, and if you guys haven't already, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys, so today I just got in my paddle shifters for my Lexus IS, and these are carbon fiber with 3M tape. So I am definitely excited to install these, and they look great, so I really cannot wait to have them installed on my Lexus, and these are looking really nice. So this should be definitely fun. So I'm going to go clean my paddle shifters and then we will install them right now. So if you guys aren't familiar, this is my Lexus IS that I will be installing these paddle shifter paddles on. And yeah, I'm definitely excited about it. I have done a few mods on this Lexus and I will make a mod list video very soon. Okay, so I cleaned the area behind my paddle shifters with some alcohol just to make sure they are super clean, and the double-sided tape does stick very well, and I am definitely excited because these are nice, but with a little carbon fiber will look even better, so we're going to test fit them before we actually take off the double-sided tape right now. Oh, it looks so good. They really do look really good. I was debating on getting the red ones, the metal red ones. I believe they're like aluminum, or these, and I'm definitely glad that I got these because they do look really good. I believe I only got these for like, I think they were $24, guys, and look at these. These are just awesome. I really do like them. So they have carbon fiber at the bottom and at the top. You probably won't even see the bottom. Yeah, you could barely see the bottom if you look under the steering wheel, but you'll basically only see this for the most part, and it looks really good. This is a little bit of low light, so you can't really tell, but it does look very good. So I'm going to install these guys, and then I will be back. Okay, so these definitely do not fit perfect. As you can see right here, there is a little space. They just aren't fitting perfect, but yeah, I guess that's what you expect for the price point. Not exactly what I was hoping for, but I was looking at the red aluminum ones, but a few people said that they actually hit the cruise control, and that's not very cool, so I didn't want to get those. So I ended up getting these, and for the price, I mean, these do look really good. And for the price, I guess I'm pretty happy with these. They do look really good. Look at that. The finish definitely looks really good on these. So I wanted to make a quick video about this, guys, and I will do an update about these probably later on just to let you guys know how these are doing. I'm sure they will probably hold on fine, because they are on the interior, and these do have 3M double-sided tape, so they should hold really well. I like them. I like the feel of them. They do have rubber on the back of them, so yeah, I'm liking them so far, guys. But other than them not fitting perfect, because these are rather cheap, I can't really complain. I do like how they look. These do look good, and when I'm paddle shifting, they actually look really cool. So I am pretty happy with these. And I will do an update later, guys, because I do like them. And they do have rubber on the back. That is a little better than the little plastic filling of the stock paddle shifters. So I do like these, and I am pretty happy with them. So alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for making it this far. And I'll see you guys on the next video.